No one knows how hard it is for you, but God does. Natanong mo na rin ba to? Lord, bakit parang lalo atang nagiging mahirap ang lahat nung nagsuko ako ng buhay sa'yo? Akala ko po ba magiging magaan na, kaso para lalong bumibigat ang lahat. Parang mas tumitindi yung problema. Lord, bakit ngayon pa kung kailan lumalapit ako ulit sa'yo? Naalala ko yung panahong halos mawala rin sa amin ang lahat. Hindi yun yung inisip kong gagawin ni Lord nung nagsisimula akong lumapit sa Kanya. Naisip ko puro pagpapala lang. Naisip ko puro magagandang bagay lang yung pwede niyang ibigay at kaya niyang ibigay sa akin. Pero hindi pala ganun. Ang hirap unawain, masakit tanggapin, at hindi ko kaagad naintindihan. Puro lang bakit ang tanong, puro lang iyak sa gabi. But later on, na-realize ko that being a Christian does not exempt us from testing. But we will never walk alone. And that's what makes our journey unique. The life of Jesus here on earth wasn't easy at all, but He stood victoriously. And in John 16 verse 33, He said, I have told you these things so that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. Dear, no one has the immunity from earthly troubles, but Jesus has won it all for us. A faith that is not tested is not a faith at all. Mas masakit kasi mas malaki yung reward. With love and prayers, Noel.